Sometimes the name of the delicacy kindles a strange curiosity in us. And the dish that we wish to share today definitely has curiosity packed in its name. This tastes brilliant with tea or coffee. It can also be called masala poha, but because it is had with upma or upittu, it is called Poha Chutney. Without any further ado, let us learn to make this yummy Poha Chutney. And by the way, welcome to our channel Uru Uta Upahara. If you're here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. To make this super easy and tasty Poha Chutney, first let us take a heavy bottomed pan and roast about 8 dry red chillies in it. Once the dry red chillies starts to gather its fragrance, let us turn off the flame and add 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds. For this masala, all we need is coriander seeds to gather the heat of the pan. That's the reason behind turning off the flame. Once the roasted dry red chillies and coriander seeds have come to room temperature, it is time to blend these exclusively in a mixer grinder. Once we have powdered these 2 ingredients, the next we need is a small piece of tamarind. For tamarind to come along with the spice mix, let us blend the ingredients again for a while. Once we have done this, the next in the list is half a cup or 60 grams of freshly grated coconut. Let us add the grated coconut and blend all this just for about 5 to 10 seconds. Just keep in mind to not make the coconut become a paste. When the grated coconut has gotten along with the spices, the next in the list is 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let us add the sugar, blend this for a while, and then we have our tasty, easy spice mix for our Poha Chutney. The next obvious stage after preparing the masala is to mix it with paper thin poha. Here we are taking 250 grams of paper Avalakki or thin poha and then adding the ground masala to this. After that, we need our king of taste, Mr. Salt. Let us add salt as per taste and mix this thoroughly. Final stage of preparing our Poha Chutney is a simple tempering. So here in a tempering pan, we are heating about 1.5 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, let us add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds without lowering the heat. When the mustards have splattered thoroughly, let us add the tempering to our poha mix. And it is time to bring all of this together. This is it, my dear friends. Poha chutney, which is had with hot coffee, tea, and mainly with upittu or upma, is ready. If you like this recipe, do prepare this at your home. And if you like the episode, do like the video and also share it with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.